Hello everybody, I'm Mal2 from Mal2's YouTube channel. So today we're going to try Nyarch Linux. So what is Nyarch Linux? Nyarch Linux is pretty much Arch Linux but slapped with weeb stuff. I heard a lot of things in this distro and people said that this distro was peak, awesome, pretty much goated distro, so I'm interested to try it out myself. So this is Nyarch Linux, the perfect Linux distribution for weebs. Okay. Enhance your weeb flow. Nyarch Linux offers the best open source apps that every weeb needs to be pre-installed. I don't know what are these, but okay, cool I guess. Nyarch Assistant. Tired of all the AI slop baked in another OS? This is no exception. Nyarch Assistant is your cute, quirky, okay, never mind. Choose your edition. Satoru versus Gojo of the Linux desktop. Pick the one that fits your style. I'll pick KDE. GPU variant standard. Download. While downloading, let's read the fact. Straight from Nyarch official fact, with quick answers for installations, hardware support, safety and privacy. Is this a real distro? Yes. Wow. Why? Yes. No wonder people said that this distro was the most peak distro. Hey, it's done downloading. I usually use Fantoy to flash USB, but I don't have Fantoy right now, so I'm going to use Polina Enter. And we flash it. Flash completed. One successful target. Okay, so I'm going to use this laptop to install Nyarch Linux. It's a ThinkPad L14 Gen 1, so I hope it's enough. So this thing has an Intel Core i5 10th generation, Intel UHD graphics and 8 gigs of RAM. I hope that this thing was enough for Nyarch Linux. I didn't really care if I lost data on this laptop because it's a burner laptop after all, so time to install Nyarch Linux. Welcome to the Nyarch Linux installer. The system is not connected to the internet. What do you mean? I'm connected to the internet right now. What is your name? Mal? What name do you want to log in? Mal? What is the name of this computer? For the funny, we're going to name it Tiki Tiki. Choose a password to keep your account safe. Next, this is an overview of what will happen once you start the installation procedure. Location, yeah. Keyboard, yeah. Partition, yeah. Yeah, I'm done. Let's install it. Continue with installation. The Nyarch installer is about to make changes to your disk in order to install Nyarch Linux. You will not be able to undo these changes. Okay, install now. Ask Arch-chan. Nyarch Assistant is more than just a digital assistant. She's your cute... you expected a slide, but what? Also try GNOME. Would you like something more simple and consistent? No. I use Nyarch, by the way. Tell everyone you use Nyarch Linux with the nyao-fetch command. I bet! Nyao-fetch. I use Arch, by the way. Wide software availability. Nyarch Linux aims to make software installation very easy. Install packages for Arch Linux repo and AUR using NEA. No way! They got their own AUR helper. That's it I guess. Yeah, time to wait. Hey, it's done. All done. Nyarch Linux has been installed on your computer. You may now restart into your new system or continue using the Nyarch Linux Lab environment. See you later guys. I'll reboot my laptop. Welcome to Nyarch Plasma. Nyarch Linux is an Arch Linux based OS that aims to create the best possible experience for weebs. Cool. Kart Downloader. This application satisfies one of the most important needs a weeb has. Getting random pictures of cute cat girls whenever you want. But I don't like a cat girl. Let's open Cat Girl Downloader. They're not lying, I guess it's really a picture of cat girls. Next, read manga with Kamiko. Kamiko is an amazing open source application for reading manga from the internet. You know what, let's open Kamiko for fun. Welcome to Kamiko. Discover comics. Okay. Yeah, I guess I won't show this thing. It's pretty much piracy, so no. Need suggestions? Nyarch Wizard would suggest some software to get you started with Nyarch Linux. Okay, welcome to Nyarch Linux. I'm here to show you some useful and interesting Linux apps. Yeah, it's pretty much software catalog, so nothing really interesting. I use Nyarch, by the way. We have included nyfetch to let everyone know that you are using Nyarch Linux. Okay, for the maximum LARP, I use Nyarch, by the way. Check out Nyarch scripts. Nyarch scripts offers some interesting and common terminal commands and scripts that can be executed with one click. It's pretty much quality of life scripts, so nothing really interesting really. Keep your system up to date. Nyarch Updater helps you to keep your system up to date and install Nyarch Linux updates. Cool. Your dream waifu at your command. The Nyarch Assistant is a powerful AI assistant that can help you with your system, roleplay, and much more thanks to extensions and customizations. Let's try to type something here. Hello. I guess she's typing right now.
Oh, Hi. It's not like I was waiting for you to show up or anything. I was just sitting here, admiring how perfect my Arch system is. But since you're here, what do you need? I might have some free time to help you out. Maybe.
Alright, thanks for your response. So what do we have here? Francis. What is this? It's like a stopwatch. Okay, cool. Lollipop. What is lollipop? Welcome to lollipop. Welcome to lollipop. Shortwave, yeah, what is shortwave? Discover over 50k public stations. I'll just pick MSNBC.
Family on its own in such a place as this could possibly be. And accomplished. Marilyn Douglas could have sung professionally had she wanted to, could have done all kinds of things.
Oh, it's pretty much radio. Okay. Yeah, guys, you can't count, guys. Pretty cool. Next one, let's see about the wallpapers. Is there really any interesting really? Oh, there's wallpapers here. I'm going to pick this one. Yeah, so I guess that's it, guys. That's the full Linux distro. Yeah, it's pretty much like regular Arch, but with some little twist in my opinion. So goodbye, I won't see you again. Bye.
What the hell? Oh my God!